Ota omulozi wetu mulungi Actra Bunyoro TV ekyokwenyumirizibwamu ekyabanyakitara kalikayirika amakulu gaitu agagagumizibwe omululimi lwaitu olunyoro olunyakitara akandi nkwongera okusiima n'okutangira okuba nokyali Bunyoro TV ninga amanti ngwikalo kirande James alindo kuba nikwikiyaho amakulu gaitu agagagumizibwe kandi tulina mayingi okuba bikyekere kwawukana tukatutandike n'ensonga ya aba iPod kuratununo yakumekorwa Interparty Organization for Dialogue kano bali akalitango akokurura nti basobola kuboneka genda masino kuliyekalieka abitebiri byake byakaruka kubona bitandikibwaho okurura nti babanywesa rundi babayikirisisa okuba nibayikiririza omukago guno ogwa iPod kimikiziro hanyuma iyo kwandikira ebitebe binde byake byakaruka kubona bitandikibwaho gamakeke ya NUP okuba nibabeteranzaho batu na guno gwaka bano bakiyagenzera maiso no kuangira kimo kubeteranzaho okusikira hali omuhandiki owa okusikira hali omuhandiki olukwatunulwa iPod wekitirisa rusa akugamba nti ba NUP baina ensonga zabo zikyabali misezo kwani beteraniza hali mukago guno akandi bakugamba singa ziba zikirizibwa rundi ziterekereze betekanize okubeteraniza ikiriza tusobole kuba tukwikiya hebyo ebikusinga omukago guno ogwa Interparty Organization for Dialogue iPod omurufutifuti gukatandikibwaho omubiragiro okuraba omukwikiraniza n'ebitebe ebya polipo nibaraba omubakurasi babo okutandikira kimu omu mwaka ogwa 2010 omukago guno gukagarurwa buhiyaka omu mwaka ogwa 2017 kandi hali tukubaliza halimu ebitebe ebikukira kimu bitano gamaka NRM FDC Jema nebindi okusigikira hali omuhandiki owa iPod Frank Rusa akugamba bakozere omulimo ogwamani okwolekya obulungi obwa iPod baitu kandi ekyokuhuniriza okuruga bahandikira bekitebe kya NUP ekikwebembirwa Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamo banu bakanga okubeteranizaho okusigikira hansonga ezimu ezatusoboroyire
twabiwandikira aba EPPP ne NUP etubagamba nti kakati basobola okwegata ku mukago gwa iPod aba PPP ne batuddamu nti bakiriza okwegata ku mukago guno naye aba NUP ne batuwandikira ne bagamba nti mu kaseera kano tebali betegefu kujja mu mukago olwokubanga waliwo ensonga ezitali zimu ng'abantu baabwe bangi nnyo basibiddwa bali makomera bagamba nti akalulu akasembayo tekatambulira mu makubo matuufu bagamba balina okwemulugunya okutali kumu era tebasuubira nti iPod esobola okuteekawo embeera ez'okutwala demokrasiya mu maaso.
Chairman owa People's Progressive Party Honorable Sanda akugamba aba NUP tibaina okubatuwara kubi hatekwa kuba hariho ensonga habwakibangire okubeteranizaho kandi tibaina okuzitwara binkwatireki
nti okuteesa ne mubiteeka ku meza nti bino bitukiriziganyizaako ekyo kyokka buba buwanguzi kakati olwo buba musigaza lubimbi lwakugenda kulaba nga biteekebwa mu nkola era olwo olubimbi luba lwammwe mwenna ababa bateesezza okulaba nti ebintu ebyo biteekebwa muki
nze ndowooza nti ng'ekibiina kya iPod omukago gwa iPod oluggi lulina okusigala nga luggule NUP esobole okwerowoozaako oba weewaawo tomanya nti akaseera kajjiza okujja mu maaso ne basalawo okutwegattako naye ndowooza nti kati omulimu guli kuba members ba iPod abaliwo okulaga nti guno omukago guli serious ndowooza nti ensonga NUP ezijja okugisikiriza beetaga balabe nti ddala ensonga ze bateesako mu iPod ddala bazigonjoola.
Sanda gamba bayina okutunura muno hansonga zino ezikubaheebwa niko aba NUP nabo basobole kuba nibabeteranizaho
naye tukole bukozi tukole engeri y'okubridginga okugatta kwegamba gaapu eriwo wakati waffe n'abo abatannajja bulijjo baba bateekawo abantu okujja okwogerezeganya abamu basooka kugaana era abamu babeera ku extreme mu nsi yonna kino tekisookedde wano Uganda nti bw'oyita abantu bonna bagenda kujja wabula tulina kukola kulaba abatazze nsonga ki tebazze ekyokulabirako kyetuwadde wano tugambye nti waliwo abantu abali mu makomera bali mu bikumi na bikumi aba ekibiina kya NUP tekyandibadde kirungi gavumenti abo beeraba nga tebakuddeeko misango okumala ebbanga nebata unconditionally kakati oba oliawo NUP neba nga tekyalina kyakwekwasa
abamu hali abamemba aba iPod hariho ensonga ezibatugambireho.
We know that there are so many things we don't agree as each political party here present on the table, but there are minimums that we can agree on how best we can serve Ugandans, how best we can make the lives of Ugandans better.
To work with the principles that you believe in. Many people don't do that. In Uganda, we are faced with the challenge of the waves. Every wave that comes sweeps people away, even if they don't believe in the principles of where they're going. I want to appreciate you for sticking with the principles of the party that you believe in.
Bo abamemba aba People's Progressive Party abamazire okweteraniza ha mukago guno bakugamba kinu kibasemeize muno kandi ebibakunihira nibyo ebingi.
The spirit of brotherhood that you've presented to us today will take us very far.
We have accepted we are going to be part of IPOD, not to destroy, but to build it, just for the sake of our people in Uganda.
Because we thought that IPOD is a vehicle that is bringing together all the political parties. Let us join and find out from inside there what is it, what it is.
Bibaire bia Ronald Ngabirano, Bunyoro TV, Agagumizibwe. Muno musaka waitu tugenda omunyamasaza yamasindi haikayoho okurwanagana okwamani hagati ya chairman ow'entebe ya katano obunyamasaza eto Cosmas Byaruhanga amuna abakansala aba district kandi abakansala bano bakaikada harulengo olukwetako kumusindikirizo kumwiha mu ntebe guli gumu hamulingo ogwo kumwihamu ogwesigwa bayina ebintu ebakugenda masino kumutula baita abanyero bagamba ntezirimu abakuruti zona abakuraso mu kwatu rukuru ihango kurugo munyamasazi yamasindi bagenzere batabijwayo kwani bataha omusonga zino okuranti basobora kuba nibaikaza abebembezi bano kandi habo kutekana omunyamasaza abakurasi bano bagenzere bebembeiwe omukuraso mu kwatu rukuru oroihanga wa bujenje county kiza Kenneth Nyenduoha anyakugumize nti busaki barekire kitehinduire kandi yagumya ati akujja kuba enkoragana okuranti okulwanagana kunya kwikayo habo kumara kasumi kwasobora kubani kukuwa isa balinda nobukira banti ekiroto kiyabo kitasobole kuba nikiyikira omumbere eno hariho nakatambi akayikaire nikalibata mitimbagaine ekwawukana chairman Cosmas Byaruhanga atabukire abakansala nagamba bakwisana bakumwijukiza ebyenyuma
kugambi tinkondo muntu kwijja kunjuliraho manya maziga nye myaka 5 bunyagikiziro yagansusuyi konka kineki akabiri tinkwenda kunyenyaliraho manya kundeteraho bikebi nti bagende kuli mwa speaker kuli no baimpinchinga chairman capacity gireke iyo kumpinchinga no basing on what nayo no kwata pen no garuka mungu we defending on what on a piece of paper okungamba tinja mu office which evidence has he attached iyo speaker we muna magezi nijya yalemere mu yawo nagamba tayo being stupid ngenda kubegese ngeso betegereze ngutinyi karama sindana lo nambali nyagiro kubakira I'm going to teach them atokondo rwanu nauna wikyo kurwana kiro mu magezi iyo ijota kutandika kuparampa chairman haiguru ogurukire shode wako banzo rwane na shode wako
so ne audio ya turukire na yebe nikimwa bintu 20 mu rugunya mu nkabantu so itu nkaba councillors tukwenda kuya chairman mu office but kwenda chairman aterekereza ensobiza abena akora
okunenanga nakuno okutahoire kuli kumuhalebi ebinyakuletreze abakurasi abamasindi bona omurukwatu rukuru oroihanga bebembeirwemu omukurasi wa bujenje county kiza Kenneth Nyenduoha ta omusonga zino omulingo enfumu zabanyero zakarambikirwe ntezirimu abakuruti zona
twaija kutaha mu members of parliament kuliriza so hakeze kutabura district yetu kutuza mulingo kwa way forward kundi okutoyera mu rusinga mu district council twaita district chairperson twahanuramu nabo twaorensonga zabo Honorable Nyenduoha atugambire ebimuhalebi ebibazonzoire nkabakurasi ebikuleterezo kurwanagana kuno munyamasazi yamasindi waitu kano twitana council ensonga enkureri mu kusane katandikira mukasumika okukoma kwa speaker so haramuka hangover kutaka ho amuga kakaruka speaker so kunia hatabeho abantu kwikara hamu kagamba karuka huire tubirugeho tutandike gukora imirimo y'abantu so tukiyetegeze nti haramu campus cyari mu councillors ba district kandi bayina no kusasa nabagaba nti boyikare n'bayikara hari ensonga nizuwa bayita kandi zibanke zitahoire
kyatolike kisani nti kutakoraga noko kukaruga kara kurugoba komaki speaker
nobukira abantu abakurasi bakugamba zino ziri zimu hansonga ezikuletereza okurwanagana kuno hagati eya chairman Cosmas Byaruhanga n'abakansala we Cosmas Byaruhanga akugamba kurwanagana kuno kukatandikira kimu hanyuma eya Minister Peter Ogwanga okwija okurambura entekaniza za government omunyamasaza eya Masindi yasanga zitali basire kurungi. Cosmas akugamba taija okuchulera hariho ebitakuli bata kurungi kandi abantu ekibaina okumanya otakachuire ogwanya kato n'ensonga ezanya koji oina kubanza kuzitunuzamu amaiso.
Ekizibu kinde kiro katandika chairman Kao RDC ntugenda ku monitoringa twasanga ebintu bitayikire twayanga kubikiriza twayanga kubisasura sente zabe isigarayo. Hanyuma Honorable Ogwang State Minister wa Economic Monitoring nawe yaija yagamba nakwetaga project zinizo kurora ekyo kikabihizamu abantu abamu bagamba kandona izirata nkwetagire icyo n'abantu tunulire muno ensonga eyebinte emirimo yakozerwe kubi mu district shode work niwe bindi bijye hanyuma shode work chairman warabata akozere ata monitoringire harona bakozere shode work ene hata otujunani bo itwena chairman warata akozere wa mujunane nabakozere biba junwani warani bagamba chairman akakora ibintu biba muganyire nabantu abakozere biba buganyire nabantu abakozere biba babaganyire then ichwena tuikale around table tuganyirangana betu yogamba chairman akazore bibyagende ababikozere basigali aho tukuba tutayikire.
Cosmas agumize omulingo ayetekanize okuraganira hamu na buli omu niko batwale enyamasaza eya Masindi omumaiso baitu buli muntu aina kumanya halaina okukangira
betu kintakwikiraniza nakyo nuko okuchulera nti nkoragane n'abantu nswekere ebintu ebibe bikorwa mu district ebiri mu shode work nize kwikiraniza na buli muntu wena tuikale tuhanule habukubyo kwiha mu chairman obwesige kija kuletera district esente nyingi kandi zitaroho kandi obundi tomanya basakunya mu mbutayikire kana kyo nikyongera kufereza district
abamu abantu abatubalizo nabo hakurwanagana kuno kutahoire hariho ebatugambiriho
ebigeno maiso mu district yaitu nyewe tibikunyumira kuya okusaba aboho okugonzanga okwikiraniza noganyirangana hagati ya chairman na speaker hagati ya chairman na bakurasi baitu runda ba councillors ka kionka barabara ekibe ekikorwa ngo buli bwenguzi nokora kuba emirimo nobutayikiza emirimo eya government nkusaba bitachulererwa
batwayihabuzanga nawo kinna kiri tukikole tutya kandi twamalira tugambire ebintu nkubyatandikire n'abakansala bagamba bo balirede kukola na chairman waitu habo kuba butugamba katulwane bundi ka onu kasindiko onu ka blaming on omuntu waitu wa hansi ni wakubonabona habo
okusigikira hali omukurasi owabujenje kiza Kenesi Nyenduwoha aina okugumya nti bantu bakugenda okugarukamu okukwatagana niko kisobole kuba nikikonyera enyamasaza ya Masindi okugenda omumaiso omulingo atusoboroire
baitu no kugumya nti kimwe kigambe kinyiremu team zona side zona ziri willing ku reconcilinga nti buli okugamba we na gamba izi tulirede koraki kugarukanga namu tukatwa district mu maiso
kali akutra Bunyoro TV kirisa kai kansobole kwa tumura mukake atujja kusanga tugarukane kichoka cyetu kimurundo gwa kabiri otaruka
Safiri drink. Atu gena modoka eno tukanga. Anda eno jenkora. Era nze dereva wayo. Kakati kwe mbade nyinyuka. Ningamba kamaretere safiri drink munyweko.
Awali tumye bakoledde safiri drink mu mwanyi. Omulamuzi mu kooti z'omu Kisenge. Ugateka stamina drink. Neawe naje drink. Atenga tebitamiza. Osobola kubifuna matundiro wonna mu ggwanga. Oba ku dipo yaabwe bwayise ku Timutawa ku Kidde na Bweru.
Abahoyima Bunyoro yona ne bichweke bihereireho. Babakinguliraho dipo. Musango Habutiaba Road opposite Coping Hotel. Manye bekiraho noraba 072 39 29 95 na 0705 ananemu 50 40.
Kuno nkahalonde serena iwe.
Ija banzo ije ochumbisize kali. Ono muhe bitoke ne bihimba nyogo mpe bitoke ne nyama.
Naiwo hakuliye bihimba.
Oija kubinulirwa. Nankaiwe. Kiki
waitu.
Lekeraho nayiwe sahani yabandi. Twija kuswara nayiwe.
Bojenyo mukazi achumbisize geki.
Achumsiza kanzari katayari kare pauda.
Bojo inywe kahingura ine.
Muija kuikiriza. Akanzari akatayari kare pauda. Kakuikibao abakesi products. Omusubizi kasange owa mzigo mkikubo, mukono, jinja, hamna mitiana, no maduka gona omuihanga.
Liberty Institute of Business and Media Studies.
Success, nothing else.
It has been proven beyond doubt. Kuraba Liberty Institute okuboli mu line ya success. Bakakibaza kandi bakikora. Akaire nikoka nikokutaramu ahumugisa go kusoma masomo gano. Business Studies, Purchasing and Supplies Management, Marketing, Accountants and Finance, Business Administration and Management, Journalism and Media Studies, Cosmetology and Hairdressing, Secretarial Studies and Information Management, Hotel Institutional Catering, Record and Information Management, Project Planning and Management, Public Administration and Management, Social Work and Social Administration, Human Resource Management, Entrepreneurship and Business Management, Information Technology, Tailoring, Knitting, Hairdressing, Tuera no mugisa gune gokusoma short courses inka Computer Repair and Maintenance, Filming and Editing, Computer Package, kandoba masomo ganu gona hokugezesa haruhu. Somera ha Liberty Institute, uturukane ebipapuro ebihimbire kilos za future yawe yona. Bakora ebizamu bya UBTEB na DIT. Kandi bayina UBTEB Center. Ebizamu ne babikora asomera honyine busaho kuzunga. Haba diploma egumire hamwe na certificate. Kurabo mbasomesa abamani n'ebikwate byetagisa. Kukufore kyotabayire. Library, computer laboratory, production studio, photo studio, a demonstration hotel, standby generator, amaizi masanyarazi. Niendya nungi muno haba ba boarding. Liberty Institute of Business and Media Studies. Nesangwe Muhome Municipality enyuma y'ekikari ky'omukama Harukurato Road nokyahingura offices za human rights. Ebikiraho teresimu 0774 45 300 rundi 0772 nkaga na munana kenda na munana 0 mukaga.
Oine business yawe oine ebyokutunda rundi oine ebyokukora kyona ekwakwetagire abantu bamanye Bunyoro TV turoho leta business yawe ogitere abantu maiso ija orange naitu ha muhendo ogokengangana tuli ha chombeko kya Liberty Broadcasting Services harugudo orukujja Fort Potro opposite Centenary Bank Hoima omukampala tuli kamo Chachira Road oba twikira simu zaitu zinu 0774 95 5300 oba 0772 kaga na munana chenda na munana 0 mukaga oba 0773 kinana naina nkaga nemu ana na mwenda oba twikire ha email yaitu nokwesa Bunyoro television sales@gmail.com.
Tukutangira mu kichoka cyetu cy'umurundo gwa kabiri akandi kirisa tandikiro mu rugo rwa Kampala. Kitongole ekya FIDA ekinyakwandika amabanka rundi obu microfinance okubuke obunyakukira okora esente. Kyo kino baruge bahabura abantu abakwirikaniza business eno okuranti bayehalira kimu okuba nibayikaniza emirimu yaabo batalina license nuko kisobole kuba nikibakonyera okwetangira emitali bayine erukusingaho omu busomi obw'omaiso bo bano bagambire nti ngu aliho n'ebirungi ebya finance zino zibakusobola kuba nibongera okutunga omu busomi obw'omaiso na muno owokuba owehandikisize noraba omu biragiro gamba okugoboora mu nteekaniza za gavumenti halata buzire n'okwekora omu gavumenti n'enteekaniza ezindi ezitali zimu na zimu.
We invite parties to make sure that they sit together and discuss those complaints, manage them at UMRA level, or give advice on how they can be further managed if they are not managed here. So now I will be expecting parties under this MOU to collaborate and agree on how to handle these complaints which come from the Tier 4 microfinance institutions.
Whoever is out there, to ensure that you are licensed, if you are operating under Tier 4 sector, and you are, for example, a money lender, please come and register. Come and be licensed so that you can do business with that is genuine, business that is transparent, because that is why we are here.
It's the fact that unemployment has increased. According to the rapid assessment conducted by Ministry of Gender, Labour, Social Development, 57% have been job losses in this country. That is not an easy trend. It's a trend that requires that our government comes in with special programs to reduce on the job loss, but also supporting women and men to engage into income generating activities. So it's a challenging situation for all of us, especially government, to support businesses to build better.
For the parish development model and the Myoga program, these are government initiatives and specifically for the Myoga program, it is being implemented by Microfinance Support Center, and there are so many circles and village savings and loans associations which have been formed already.
Initiative is targeting women in groups, so that addresses the aspect of the collateral that we are talking about, because women as a group can guarantee the amount of money that each of the members are accessing. And through this initiative, a number of women, really over 10,000 business income generating activities are being started by women, and they're able to take their children to school.
How women who cannot read and write will benefit from some of these programs. One of the ways that we have that we are strengthening women is organizing them in groups. We know that if someone has missed an education, apart from probably being able to use the reflect methodology to teach them how to read and write, that takes time, they can gain when they work together with others. So some of the things that we do is getting them into groups, but also strengthening good group dynamics, because largest number of young people who may not be able to come back to school are girls, because many girls have become pregnant during the lockdown. Some of them will be able to come back to school because our policy, national policies, allow girls who are pregnant, who have been pregnant, to come back to school even when they are pregnant and after they have given birth. However, there are families that cannot, because when there is a baby in the family, somebody has to take care of that baby. There are few mothers who are able to do that. They will need another hand, and definitely they are going to insist that that child stays at home and doesn't go back to school. Not because they don't want the child to go back to school, but circumstances around them.
Ebyo nibyo bikuruka mu parliament ebyo tukwa tubiteye harbajo rejukanti hali tukubaliza akaire kano government eri omuntekanisa ezokuranti yasobora kubanikira amasomero kandi hanyuma iyo kumara akasumi karaire gakingirwe kandi kiri nikirugira kisikaita ekya COVID-19 ekyasobera kuba nikibotokaho omuyanga baitu government eri omuntekanisa zino abakuru na halata buzire aba bakurwa mitongole ebinyakwetongole rundi byakiremera bakugenda masino kuolekya omulingo gavumenti etakakozere ekikumara omukuteekaniza abaana bano bakwani bagaruka somero n'okuteekaniza ebikiweka hali abaana bano bakujja kuba nibayikira okulula nti basobola kuba bebeega. Abw'ensonga eno omusumikaniza oba ekitongole ekyakiremera ekiyafowedde omukyala Morinti Omuhendo aluge yasobola kuba nasaba gavumenti okutaya amaanyi n'okufaayo muno gamba okudaabiriza ebimu habyombeko hala abaana bano bakujja kuba nibayikira oba amasomero gakuba nigagarukamu okusoma. Ono atagurukize n'ebyombeko ebimu hali abantu bagenda okutungira obuheereza kandi bino byona abibalize owabaire eteteenya abakulu abasaki baitu abamakulu omunyamasaza ey'Amasindi.
Omusumikanizo w'ekitongole kya Forum for Women in Democracy Forward Maureen asabire gavumenti okudaabiriza amasomero agasiisirwa ekijula Nyamwenge abeegi batakakyeri omwezi ogw'okubanza omwaka ogukwijja. Ono agambire nga amasomero agamu gakyalo mu mbeera mbi habw'obubulu obwabeega mu masomero gano habw'ekiyinzi kayite kya COVID-19. Maureen okubaza bino byonna abaire mu lusolokano lw'embaliira ey'Enyamasazi y'Amasindi ha District Education Hall. Omukubaza kwe ayongere yanokora y'amasomero agakyakizireyo okuba ne galabibwa kubye gamba nk'eri eryakijunjubwa Kibali buli moteireho na Gandhi.
Schools are reopening. There are schools that were blown up by wind. This I had some of them that are going to be taken up, like Bulima Primary School, Jujua Primary School, and also members also talked about Kibali Primary School that has no classroom blow. And by the SOPs, we need social distancing for the pupils, so I would propose that we take it as a priority.
Ayongeri yasaba abebembezi ab'Enyamasazi y'Amasindi okulwanyisa omuzo gw'okusaba akasente hala abakazi abakuzaala. Kino nikikolebwa mu malwaliro ga gavumenti.
To the district chairperson, in your opening remarks, you commented on your efforts on fighting extortion of money, especially from delivering mothers. This is a very key issue that we always bring up in the budget conference, in whatever platform, and we need to take it up as a district. Earlier on, there was a committee that the resident district commissioner had committed to form the task force. But if extortion of money is still happening, then we have to take a concrete decision.
Uwe kansala w'etawuni kansi ya Bulima Innocent asabire Enyamasazi okuteeka amaanu mu kwombeka enguudo eza kugamba ngo ziro mu mbeera mbi muno.
Some access roads, like Bulima Town Council submitted one and it was not captured. That road is Marongo, Katasenyo, Bulima, Rubona, Chabateka, Chitaboa to Kisaris. It is 15 kilometers. So some council cannot maintain that road because it is too long. So another thing is
different stakeholders to come and help us. The situation we are in and we are living in right now. We are very bad off right now, and we are even suffering. Even the moral of teaching is becoming loose to us because where we are sleeping, what we are doing at school is not even a human being can do that one. Yes.
My concern is about the schools, these secondary schools. I'm a representative from Kiguria Division. I know that district is not so much concerned about the municipality, but they also send.
Omukulasa omukyalo w'Enyamasazi y'Amasindi Dr. Florence Asimwe asabira abakansala hamu n'abakozi abandi ab'Enyamasazi eno okwawukaniza ebirumirwa byabo hamu n'obuheereza obubala ababalaakulaakulaniza Enyamasazi y'Amasindi.
Tojagamba timwine kimutukolire nabweki nimalira tube n'obumu kandi tukolaganiramu nkenkubebe hanyuma ya byona Masindi yaitu ejja kulakulana egenda omaiso tuteeka mutindo gundi nkutwagisangire alija hanyuma itutugireho aligama mananuko ababaire hanu mazima ko bakakora kandi bakorera Masindi mwebali muno kumpuliriza sigaire ndi Dr. Simwe Florence Akiki omukurasa omukazi munyamasaza ya Masindi mwebali muno kumpuliriza
okutugenda anga area Nigeria obwingi obw'abantu abanyakufwerere mu kyombeko ekyakalina 24 ekyakagwa kuba nikigwa bukugenda maaso n'okweyongera kukaraho ab'ebyokwerinda kwaba nibolekya omuhendo gutiito batukanda amakuru agakubega kolekya nti ati abantu abakazozora bakwikira kimu 36
abantu abanyakufereiro mu kyombeko mu ihanga lya Nigeria bukweyongera kandi hali tukubaliza bahikire 36 ekyombeko kine kyekalina 24 kikagwa hantandikwa ya sabiteno kandi ku rugobwo ab'ebyokwerinda bayikaire bali mu kuserura abantu abafereire omu kyombeko kinu.
Doing screening, electrician are inside, plumber are inside, and then let me just say, Jonah of the company also joined because there is one black jeep was here before.
Abantu 36 bafiire, 33 bali basajja kandi aloho n'ebime ebisigalira by'abantu ebihirwe hansi ombitafaale.
We are working now. We just say that we should just go for a break. Many people are still there. I just plug my phone when I want. I just see that the building come down.
Obwingo bw'abantu abanyakufiire nibusobola okweyongera akira haahu habw'okuba ekyombeko kino hali kyagwereire obwingo bw'abantu ababaireho bukaba butakeetegerezeibwa.
Amakuru ebintu by'ebikuruga mu ihanga eryo erya Nigeria Actra New TV abo bali kuboli basiramu na ekyo kusiima kandi ebintu byetusobole kuba tukwikyawo kiro kino tujagaruka mu nyenkyo muteekaniza ku kiro 5 kama kunigire James Alinda.